Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? The final video for NY Bay, which is NY Bay blush ka review. Yeah, where is the blush? That's the NY Bay Sunset blush, and I also compared it to the Stay Quirky blush. You know, since these are both sister brands, I wanted to give a quick mini review to this one and compare it against the Stay Quirky wala blush. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's go. Everything will be in the description box if you want to check it out, and all the other videos will be in the description box as well. And before going into the video, subscribe. Okay. Okay, so here we have the two of our highlighters, and this one is the Stay Quirky, this is the Cheeky Girls highlighter, and this one is in the shade, I believe this one was in the shade Peach Lady number 3. So this is how it looks. It is a peachy sort of, pinky peachy sort of color, and this one is our NY Bay Sunset Skyline Sunset blush. Now both of these, this one costed 230 rupees and this one I think this one costs, I will mention it on the screen. Okay, so NY Bay and Stay Quirky are sister brands under the umbrella of Purple, and this is how this blush looks. Ooh, this one is in the shade Coral something. Shade isn't mentioned. This one is Coral Sunset number 6. Okay, so this is number 6 Coral Sunset, and this is number 3 Peach Lady, and yeah, this is how it is. This one definitely is a little bit more pinker and more darker, and this one is a little bit more coral. Let me just give it a hand swatch first. Okay, so this is our Coral Sunset and this one is our Peach Lady. Oh, definitely the Peach Lady is extremely powdery first of all, and the pigmentation on this one, Peach Lady, is very intense, and that is one reason why if you just pick a lot with one swipe with the brush, you will just look like a clown. This on the other hand looks a little subtle to me, which I think is a good thing when it comes to blushes, because extremely pigmented blushes can go wrong real quick. Okay, so yeah, that is that. I'll start off with Sunset first of all, and let me just give it a whirl. Oh, okay, okay, I did go a little ham because I want that look, and even when I went full on with this blush, it is not giving me Joker vibes, which this one, this Peach Lady one, does. Okay, I'm not going with this one because I don't want to screw this one up. Okay, so that is that. And let me just apply this over here as well. Right, wow, I think this is deeply pigmented. Definitely yes, it is buildable. If you will go in, you can build it up real well. And yeah, I'm taking it over the temples as well because that is the type of look I'm going for today. I am going in too much into the blush because yeah, my makeup look for today demands that. And let me tell you, this actually looks really pretty. Also, can you see it has a sort of a shine to it as well. I want to apply I want to apply a little bit more because I like this one. I am all about these peach blushes because wow, I think with this color, this orange looks really pretty. And yeah, that is that. I think this blush has to be like my new favorite because this is really pretty, and I clearly see a little bit of illumination over here. Is it me, or is it a little bit glowy as well, or is it just because my skin is dewy, extremely dewy this day, right? Let me just give a little swatch on my hand to see if it is dewy or what. Yeah, it is. You see it does have a little bit of sheen to it. So if you want a glowy dewy blush, I think you're gonna love this one. Yeah, just go in a little bit with the fingers as well because I feel it is a little patchy somewhere. Yeah, wow, right? I really like this one. Let's read the claims as well. Okay, so this is lightweight formula. Definitely yes, it is lightweight, very lightweight, and it blends effortlessly. Totally, I am not even going to question that one. Versatile finishing is really nice. Yes, actually yeah, the finish is nice. Okay, then it says mineral oil free. Mineral oils are a little, you know, not so good for our skin, so that is a good thing. And then it's vegan friendly, which means it's vegan. Okay, wow, NY Bay has gone vegan, which I'm pretty sure most of the products that are manufactured in India are vegan, so that is good. And this one is made in India as well. Nice. And it's paraben free. Well, then let me tell you, it's really nice. You know what? I think I would like to buy more shades in this blush because I think it is giving me a lot of life. It's really pretty. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so coming to this blush now. First off, I absolutely love this blush. It is going to be my new favorite blush, and I mean, NY Bay blows my mind, which is nice. Like, wow, like this brand is really killing it. Coming to Stay Quirky blush, that blush is not my favorite because of very simple thing that it is extremely pigmented, more than what we need, more than what I can digest. So for that reason, I think this blush is better than that blush. Okay, and if you want to try one blush out of these, I would always say go with this one. Okay, this one is bomb. This is actually bomb. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.